Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This card is going to be super simple to put together. Pretty much all elements from the March 2026 paper pumpkin kit called Fluttering Garden. I took the envelope and I cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4. I've got a petal pink card base, side opening landscape card. I've got the Have A and the Beautiful and then Mother's Day labels from the kit, but I took the Have A blank Mother's Day and I used the blending brush to add some petal pink ink to it, just to make that beautiful just pop. And I'm using the 3 smallest hummingbirds, which is where I got my idea for the petal pink card base. We are going to put this together, but we are going to add some Wink of Stella, and we'll add some of our bling as well. So let's just go ahead and start putting this together. Like I say, super simple, super quick. We're just going to pop this down onto the card front. And it's 5 1/4 by 4, so just equal top, bottom, and sides, and we're good to go. This is going to flat mount. The Beautiful is dimensionalized, so we're just going to flat mount this. We're going to pop it down in this corner here like this. Just make sure I'm the same distance from the side and the bottom. Okay, and dimensionalize the hummingbirds. So I am just going to place them down before I actually adhere them, just to make sure that I've got them where I want them. So I want that one there. So this one can go here like this. This one will go up in the middle like this. And then this one will go over here like this. Just like that. Okay, and we're going to take our Wink of Stella and we are going to Wink of Stella those wings and tails. And I think we'll do the body. So maybe we'll just do the whole hummingbird, because quite frankly, hummingbirds are really pretty and really kind of sparkly. So we are going to Wink of Stella the whole thing. Okay. And get our sparkle on here. There we go. And let's just see if we can see that side. We can't see the sparkle so much in the video, but it's there. Okay, let's grab some of these little guys here and we can just pop them around. And we'll pop another one. Maybe we'll pop a couple, a small one and a large one up here, just to fill some space there. Okay, so that, again, super duper simple, but that is our card using the elements from the kit. And like I say, all I did is I added some ink to the Have a Mother's Day and added a petal pink background. So thank you so much for watching. And there are 2 more alternates, one on Thursday, one on Friday this week.